Hello students, welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes. So in today's video we'll be solving a mathematical statistical problem. The question goes like this: the variance. So how do we solve this kind of question? So for this, first we have to write down probability of b less than equals to a square by 4 is equals to probability a to 0 to 1 and b to 0 to a square by 4 is nothing but 6 multiplied by 9 dA dB equals to 1 by 3. So we have found the value of this to be this. Now we'll go to the second question. So in this question it is given a boy and a girl agree to meet at a certain park between 4 to 5 p.m. They agree that the one arriving first will wait t hours, that is t belongs to 0 to n, for the other to arrive. Assuming that the arrival times are independent and uniformly distributed, find the probability that they meet and hence obtain the probability that they meet if t is equals to 10 minutes. So how do we solve this kind of problem? So this kind of problems, for this kind of problem, first we have to write down, we have to draw a diagram where we'll take x on the horizontal axis and y on the vertical axis. Now we'll take a 45-degree line which says x is equals to y. Similarly, we'll extend these two lines, a vertical and a horizontal line. This is where y is equals to 1 and this is where x is equals to 1. And this is where y is equals to, we'll draw another line and here we'll write y is equals to x minus t. This line is c, this is 0, and we'll make this shaded line. Similarly, we'll draw another shaded line here and we'll name it t. So this region and this region is called t, and this is 1 minus t. This is y equals to x minus t, and this is y equals to x plus t, and this is 1 minus t, and this whole thing is 1. So we have drawn this. Now probability is equals to probability x minus y given it's less than equals to t, which is the shaded area, divided by total area. Now this is nothing but equals to 2 into area OAB. OAB, basically this is A, this is B. So this entire area, this is origin, this is here, total area OAB minus area CAD. This is C, this is A, this is D. So this entire region minus this region, so we get this shaded region, divided by 1 into 1. So by doing this we get the value to be 1 minus t whole square equals to 2t minus t square. So here when t is 10 times 10 minutes, which is given, the probability will be 11 by 36. From here we get this. So in today's video we we solved this question. So if you have any question or doubt, or if you have any question regarding this, so you can WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showupsirsclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for mathematical statistics question. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.